everyone, welcome back to my channel. When last did you make a large pot of stew in your house? I made this stew with just 500 naira cucumber. This red delicious stew is made with cucumber. Yes, I mean cucumber. You don't need fresh tomatoes to make your stew. As we all know, that tomatoes is quite expensive right now in Nigeria where I live. Cucumber is a great substitute for fresh tomatoes. Cucumber is nutritious and also affordable. I will show you how to make this pocket-friendly cucumber stew right now. I hope you will love this recipe as it turned out to be a good alternative to fresh tomatoes. So let's get into the process of making cucumber stew. If today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this YouTube family. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much for your wonderful support and show of love. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss a new update. Thank you very much. Love you all. Bye-bye.